I have two close friends, one being Monica, who I've known since childhood, and the other being Cinta, my cat, who I've known since 2014. And for a while now, I've really wished to go to see this place called Grace Farms. And Monica's schedule clashed with mine. Cinta hates being in a car, so that was out of the question as well. And so for my 19th, I just decided I would drive 1 hour and 15 minutes to this place and enjoy a state of relaxation, solitude, whatever you might call it, and just have fun with myself, I guess, and take photos. I don't know. So here's this vlog for you. So I just got here to Grace Farms and it is absolutely stunning. I read online before that the architecture here is a blend of just Japanese and Scandinavian architecture, and everything just looks super modern and like minimalistic at the same time. I love it. Yeah, it's really nice here. I brought my backpack with me so that I could journal or work on this vlog for you right now. And of course I had to bring the film camera. I brought a longer lens as well with me. I think it's in this pocket right here. And yeah, let's enjoy our time here. There's stigma around going places by yourself, but I think in those moments, that's where you learn to love yourself and learn to build your self esteem and self confidence. And I think, I guess I'm here to tell you is that if you have little to no friends like me, sooner or later, God will put the right people in your life, and all you gotta do is have faith. So I'm heading back now. That was Grace Farms for you. No, to be completely honest, I forgot to vlog. Maybe that's a good thing because my phone was like acting up and the battery percentage just kept dropping and dropping and dropping. And B, I think it was important for me to take time for myself and to like relax. My head is cleared out and I just feel good and refreshed and ready to go to algebra class now. I have a little bit of a drive back to school, so yeah, I'm not gonna vlog and drive because that's not safe. I was also able to take photos for a photography class, and I'm happy about how like I obviously can't see the photos because it's all on film, but I'm happy that I got that out of the way. When I go places with people and I want to take photos, for example, like on film or DSLR, I always feel like the pressure to like rush, and as like a photographer, you kind of want to set up in your mind what you want, like how you want the photo to look like compositionally, and like how you want the framing, like all of that. And so when I was alone, like taking the photos of nature and like the trees and like the barn and the fences and the architecture, I was kind of able to visualize in my mind what I want to be in the photo. My hair got really greasy from the wind, and I just washed it yesterday. That's great. So I think I'll see you guys later.